Alright guys, I want to give you a few facts about obesity. For starters, we're the heaviest we've ever been, and since the 50s and even 60s, we've been going up in weight every single decade. Some of the real concerns are starting with our children. Again, since the late 70s, it's gone up every single year. But it doesn't stop there. In both men and women, the average weight has gone up over 20%. So one major contributor to this is obviously refined sugars. Sugars in cakes and sodas. Another major factor is how easy it is to get food. Things like Instacart these days. You walk out of your house, and there's at least 10 restaurants and 3 grocery stores. The easier food has become available, the more obese we get. We consume so much more than we need to. If you just started intermittent fasting, you would see that scheduled eating is the way we should be doing things. Using that stored fat that you already have for energy. And we burn that fat for energy every single day. It's super easy to get started. All you have to do is have meals within an 8-hour window. For 16 hours, you're fasting, drinking water, and if you're a coffee drinker, it just has to be black. Probably the hardest part of this whole thing. So let's make a difference. Let's start a change.